Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to take the screenshot without the buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and here on the right upper corner you will see the function. Now just go here to the gesture motion and select here the system motion. Right there you will see the 3-point screenshot. Just tap here to the checkbox, and right now you can see that you can make a screenshot with your 3 fingers by just at the same time lower sliding your screen. Now tap to OK, and you can see that you make a screenshot. So if you want to turn this function, just tap again to the checkbox, and that's it. So if you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.